This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. The PCV valve is mounted at the rear of the throttle body. To check the valve, disconnect the vacuum hose from the PCV valve Then, with the engine running, put your finger over the PCV valve and check for vacuum. If vacuum is felt, the PCV valve system is working properly. If the valve is clogged and no vacuum is felt, the hose is also probably plugged. Turn the engine off, remove the hose and clean it with solvent. After cleaning the hose, inspect it for damage, wear, and deterioration. Make sure it fits snugly on the fittings. If you're replacing the PCV valve, place some rags below the valve and disconnect the coolant hoses from the PCV valve. Clamp the coolant hoses to prevent any loss of coolant. Remove the fasteners securing the PCV valve. Then remove the valve. Clean the opening around the valve to remove any dirt or debris. Put a little Vaseline on the O-ring of the valve. Then install the valve. Install the mounting fasteners, then tighten them securely. Reconnect the hoses that have been disconnected and tighten the clamp securely. Then release the clamps on the coolant hoses.